If start my business, it's gonna be e-commerce.
It would probably be in the medical field.
Maybe one day I will build company which will create smart sensors to improve safety in industry or in environment.
I might consider it would be a small manufacturer producing laptops.
I'd like to open my own logistics company here to make trade between Russia and China more easier.
I would launch a tech e-commerce platform for Indonesian handicrafts.
It will be a tech startup that solve real-world problems and make human lives easier.
Here we are, the very first Global Young Entrepreneurs Assembly in Hangzhou, a call to dreamers, doers and disruptors. Seven international students from Hangzhou Dianzi University participate in the conference and share their own ideas of entrepreneurship.
Don't just watch from the sidelines. Step outside the main stage area and dive into the action. Traditional crafts and check out cool tech innovations. There's so much to experience beyond the stage.
生活上的补贴的话，这要求是在杭州工作，在杭州工作，然后就可以申请。这个二维码里面会有所有杭州市的对人才的这个政策，全部有详细的指导。
Now I'm entrepreneurship in Hangzhou, so I'm doing international trade platform. If you want to find some products from China, you can also use my platform to find suppliers and logistics, and also many exhibition in our platform. My advice is first you have to learn Chinese in China. Second one is you have to find your team. Third one is money.
What made me interested in entrepreneurship? When I was a kid, my father was supporting me to start my own business, and also that's why he sent me here to China to study, because he wanted me after finishing my study to start my own business.
If you have your own idea, I think it's good to try to provide working places instead of participate in competition when you find a job.
When I was a kid, I like to solve problems in an interesting way, and entrepreneurship give us this opportunity to give people smart solutions to solve humanity problems.
I think Hangzhou is one of the best place to start a business. I think it's the Silicon Valley of Asia, and why not like one of the best places, since there are already so many companies in here from where you can learn and develop yourself in this aspect. And also it's a very competitive environment, which is very motivating.
As I know, Hangzhou have really strong ecosystem to help young people in innovation, in startups and so on. And maybe I need to learn more deeply about startup, about business management and so on. So it was a useful day.
I love solving problems and make things that can help people. Running my own business can help me to do both. Yeah, I think Hangzhou is a good place for startups because Hangzhou has money, smart people, and helps to new businesses.
Seeing small companies from Indonesia struggling opened my eyes to being an entrepreneur.
Hangzhou is a city for young entrepreneurs. It offers not only a vibrant startup scene and strong support system, but also an open, inclusive culture that welcomes bold ideas.
No matter where you're from, if you dare to dream, to try, to build, there's a place for you. In Hangzhou, starting a business isn't a solo mission, it's a shared journey with the city that grows with you.